Google Chrome isn't just a fast browser. It's packed with security features designed to protect you from hacking, phishing, and malware. One of its strongest defenses is safe browsing, which warns you in real time if you try to visit a dangerous or deceptive website. With its enhanced protection mode turned on, Chrome uses advanced AI to detect not only known threats, but also emerging phishing scams and malicious downloads. Chrome also isolates and contains threats through sandboxing and site isolation. This means each tab runs in its own protected environment, making it much harder for malicious code in one tab to affect the rest of your system or access your personal data. Even if a hacker exploits a website, this architecture helps prevent them from breaking out and doing more damage. Another critical layer of protection comes from automatic updates. Chrome updates itself regularly, usually every few weeks, and pushes important security patches quickly. This ensures that you're always running a version that's protected against the latest vulnerabilities hackers might try to exploit. When it comes to protecting your passwords, Chrome offers built-in tools that generate strong, unique passwords, save them, and alert you if any of them have been compromised. If Chrome detects that one of your saved passwords was part of a data leak, it'll warn you so you can change it, helping close the door on one common hacking avenue. Chrome also prioritizes secure connections. It uses encryption to keep your data safe while it travels over the internet, reducing the risk of eavesdropping or man-in-the-middle attacks. Plus, for highly sensitive users, Google offers an advanced protection program, which requires security keys or passkeys for login, adding a very strong layer of protection for your Google account. All of these features work together to make Chrome a strong defender against many types of cyber attacks. While no system is completely foolproof, using Chrome with its built-in protections and keeping it up to date gives you a solid baseline of defense against hacking. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more tech and security videos.